friends, Stephanie Faith here from At Earth Faith Love, and I'm going to show you how to make a Young Living Vitality capsule today. I keep this cute little tray with my Vitality oils on my kitchen counter for easy access to them while in the kitchen. And then I have no clue where I got this, but I have this fun little glass container that I keep next to it because it's so cute. For inquiring minds, the tray is from Dollar Tree. Super awesome find. So, in order to make a Vitality capsule, now the oils that Young Living sells with the white labels that specifically say Vitality on them, these are safe to ingest. And this is a super easy way to ingest your oils, especially if there's something that you want to take daily or an oil that you don't particularly care for the taste of. So I always start with 4 drops of my carrier oil in my capsule, and I just want to show you guys, I have this little 15 ml dropper bottle, and I just fill that up with my avocado oil, and that's what I use for my carrier oil. It just makes it a lot easier to get the oil into the capsule. I would just make a huge mess with the whole bottle. So I have my 4 drops of carrier oil, and today we're gonna go ahead and make a peppermint capsule. So just open that up and add a drop. I'm looking for the little hole in my lid. Okay, so 1 drop of peppermint. Put that right there for you guys. And then I'm going to top off my capsule just till it's almost full with the avocado oil that spreads it out a little. It's not necessarily diluting it. You're still getting that whole amount of the peppermint Vitality, but it just makes it a little more diluted, I guess. That's what I said you're not doing, but that's what you're doing. So there's the capsule, super simple, and awesome. One of the fun things about peppermint Vitality, just a little side note, is that it literally feels cool inside you as you're swallowing, or as you're digesting it. So awesome. Go look up all the constituents in peppermint and find out why you would want to take this capsule yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter feeds at Earth Faith Love. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.